Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I only talk about commercial insurance. Workers' compensation insurance is a pivotal issue for small business owners, ensuring employees receive care and financial assistance if injured on the job. The complexity lies in navigating various state regulations and understanding the distinct coverage needs for diverse industries. This intricate balance of legal, financial, and ethical responsibilities can present a challenge for businesses striving to protect both their workforce and their bottom line. Keep watching because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What is workers' compensation insurance? Who needs workers' compensation insurance? What does workers' compensation cover? How are workers' compensation premiums calculated? What should an employer do about fraudulent claims? How does workers' compensation work with other insurance? What are the employer's responsibilities? How do state-specific regulations affect workers' compensation? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Workers' compensation insurance is a type of insurance that helps employees who get hurt or sick because of their job. It provides financial support to cover medical expenses and lost wages. This means if someone gets injured while working, they may receive assistance to cover some of the costs, depending on the policy and circumstances. Many businesses with employees are required to have workers' compensation insurance, but requirements can vary by state and industry. It's important for businesses to check their state's laws to determine if they need this insurance. Workers' compensation covers several important things. It pays for medical expenses, like doctor visits and medicine. It also covers lost wages if an employee can't work because of their injury. If someone needs help getting better, like physical therapy, it covers those costs too. In cases where an employee becomes disabled, it provides disability benefits. If an employee passes away because of a work-related incident, it offers death benefits to their family. Premiums are the money businesses pay to have workers' compensation insurance. These are calculated based on several things. First, the type of work employees do, which is called job classification. Riskier jobs usually have higher premiums. Second, the experience modification rate, EMR, affects premiums. If a business has had many claims, they might pay more. Lastly, different states have different rules, so location matters too. Sometimes, people might try to get workers' compensation benefits, even if they aren't really hurt. This is called a fraudulent claim. If an employer suspects a claim is fraudulent, they should follow legal procedures and consult with their insurance company or legal counsel to investigate the claim appropriately. Workers' compensation is different from health insurance. Health insurance covers general medical expenses, while workers' compensation specifically covers injuries or illnesses from work. If an employee gets hurt on the job, they use workers' compensation first. Health insurance might help if there are extra costs, but workers' compensation takes care of most work-related issues. Employers have several responsibilities when it comes to workers' compensation. First, they need to have the right insurance policy. If a worker gets injured, they must report it to their insurance company quickly. They should also help the employee get medical treatment and keep records of the incident. Employers should educate their workers about safety to prevent accidents from happening. Each state in the U.S. has its own rules about workers' compensation. This means that what works in one state might not be the same in another. For example, the amount of money an injured worker receives or the type of injuries covered can vary. Businesses need to know the rules in their state to make sure they comply with the law. Return-to-work programs are plans that help injured employees get back to their jobs. Sometimes, employees can do lighter tasks while they recover. This helps them stay active and connected to their work. Employers should work with their insurance companies to create these programs, encouraging a smooth transition back to work for the employee. Workers' compensation is important because it protects both employees and businesses. For employees, it ensures they get the care and financial support they need if they get hurt at work. For businesses, it prevents them from paying huge amounts of money out of pocket for medical bills and lost wages. This insurance creates a safer and more secure work environment for everyone. I hope this video has helped clarify the intricacies of workers' compensation insurance and its vital role in safeguarding both businesses and employees. Understanding the nuances and responsibilities involved can truly make a difference for any business navigating these waters. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.